Look at JT posts about fake news and vote counters, and Foxa drops down 1.9% a ninth percentile, while VIXI jumps up 1.47% 4th percentile. You call that random? That is a coordinated market event triggered by his daily output.
I call it statistically hilarious noise, Mara. Your coordinated event is just VIXI jumping up 1.47% a 4th percentile at the open, which is merely up 1.13 cents prior close 77th percentile of its overnight gaps. That's not a signal. That's a baseline volatility spike that happens when the market opens.
Baseline. He posts images of Trump-Vance endorsements for Braun McKinney and Baumgartner, then claims miracles happen in Wayne County, and DJT jumps up 135% to 3rd percentile, while RM jumps up 101% to 6th percentile. The timing is never coincidence.
The timing is always coincidence until you force a narrative, and even then, it's just noise with better branding. You're ignoring that Ethereum fell down 0.7% a 4th percentile while he's hyping dollar dominance. If his words moved crypto, the tape would reflect his victory claims, not a dip.
He amplifies a CNBC interview with Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent via a link he shared, and the market reacts. He's touting unparalleled respect and giant victory, and his stock jumps up 1.35% to 83rd percentile. If it were just noise, the market would be flat.
It's not flat, it's reacting to everything. He posts about communist losers and rigged elections, and you see a pattern where I see a man shouting into a void that the market shrugs at because no one was listening, least of all you.
Shouting. He's running a narrative engine. He posts about some amount world corruption in Detroit and fake mail-in ballots, and VIXI jumps up 1.47% a 4th percentile. That is a massive repricing of his personal brand's risk premium every time he opens.
Keep shouting at the polling data, I'll be here when the novelty wears off. VIXI keeps jumping up 1.47% a 4th percentile. And you're left holding the bag on a story that never existed.
That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping, the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.